Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my page. In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys on how to make this kind of design whereby you can put it on a flap or pocket, or you can make it for a full outfit. I want to teach you guys how to make this design like this. First and foremost, when you get your fabrics you want to use, make sure you are having excess of the fabric depending on what you want to use it for. If you want to use it for a pocket or for placket, so make sure you have excess of it, because you are going to be folding it in some aspects and it's going to reduce the length or the size of the initial fabric that we actually cut out. So then you mark out the wrong side as shown in the video. This is the wrong side of the fabric. Can you see? Then after that one, you make sure your iron is hot and is ready to work, because we are first of all going to use iron to make the design before we proceed to the machine. So do well to watch the video to the end so that you won't miss any part of the video. Can you see what I'm doing? Then I'm using my iron to bring out the gator, that is the line on it, as shown in the video. You can have a particular measurement you want to use. Maybe you take your tape rule to measure how you want the line to be. But if you see very well, if you see where I started from the edge, like I started from one part. That is why I start making the line form. Making sure that your iron is very hot when you want to do this. Your iron should be hot, because those line is going to indicate where we are going to sew, and those line must not I don't know how we explain it. Those line must not like clean off when you want to work on the machine. So I have to make sure I fast the video so that I will not make the video to be too long. But that is how you are going to do. The process is like that. You are going to do it from one end to the other end. So can you see what I'm doing here on the video? So that is how you are going to do it. You're going to do one part. So if you see now, we are having line now at some part. Can you see? If you watch closely, can you see the line that we are having? We already make the gator line from one part to the other. Then you also turn it. Remember, this is the rough side. That is, this is the back side. You also turn it to, that is, you take the back side facing up. Then you carry the other part again, so the other edge of the materials of the fabric that we are using. We're also going to start from there to put our hot iron on it, as shown in the video. So I skip some of the parts so as not to make the video be too long. So if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe, because I bring the simplest and easiest method on how to sew, how to cut, how to make patch pocket designs like this. So do well to subscribe. That is the only way you can encourage me to do or to make more videos. Moving on to the video, can you see what I did? So we started from one end to the other part, so I skipped the video. So make sure you take your time to do it, following the step or the procedure I showed. So if you watch closely, you see that we've gotten what we want. We've have the line in both parts. That means what we want to use it for, we've already achieved it. So we proceed to the machine to sew on what we actually folded. Can you see? So we proceed to the machine now to sew. And if you are sewing, you have to sew close to it. You have to sew close, very close to um, the fabric. Rather, can you see? Very close to it. That is how we are going to sew on all the parts that we actually iron, whereby we have our gates or those lines that we have on it. So we are going to sew on it. So make sure you take your time, because it's time consuming. So I have to skip the video in some parts, and I have to kind of fast forward the video so as not to make the video be too long. So as you can see in the video, all you need to do is just follow what we actually use our iron to make. That is how we can actually get the design very well. So you follow the iron, the part that you feel or you think maybe is getting weight off. You just have to follow the line. Use your initiative and follow the line. So you have to follow the line in one part. Then after you are done again, you also follow the line in the other part, whereby you can get the design of what you want to use it for. So this is one part now of me when I already fold it. So I have to fold the other part again. So this is what I'm trying to do. So I believe if you follow this video step to step, you actually get all what I'm trying to say, because it's self-explanatory. As long as you've gotten your gate online the way it should be, then sewing it won't be the problem. So after you've make it, you can make it as a placket. Maybe you want to make a placket on a kaftan dress, or the pocket is going to work very well. Or you want to use it on the front borders, definitely you can also do the same procedure on the front borders of a kaftan. So make sure you take your time and work on it properly. You don't have to rush. That is one thing I do tell most of my viewers here, that you don't have to rush while working on the machine. All you need to do is just take your time. It's just that this video is a little bit fast, or I skip the video, I fast forward the video, not to make the video be too long. But with me working on it like this, you can definitely tell, or you can actually explain how it is to make this kind of dress. So all you need to do is just follow the line step by step, one after the other. Use your hand to regulate it where the line is, and you're going to have a perfect result as shown in the video. So can you see? So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe. That is the way you can motivate me to post more videos. And I have some videos on my YouTube channel on how to cut a proper kaftan, how to cut the shokoto native, the native trouser, how to cut and sew the native cap also. So do well to subscribe to my video and watch more of my videos. Don't only watch, learn, like, comment, and share to other people so they can also gain the same knowledge you are gaining from my channel. So this is everything we've done. Can you see the design? Look how pretty it is. So this is how you really achieve, or this is how you can achieve the step. So if you watch closely, you see that the the materials has reduced in size. It has reduced in size. That's why I said we should cut excess of it. So do well to subscribe to my channel. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment, and share to others. Thank you.